In today's quick and very simple video, I want to show you how you can hide your Wi-Fi on the Airtel MiFi so that it will be invisible and it won't appear public. It will be private and people can only see it if only you give them the Wi-Fi name. It's very simple, but first of all, make sure your MiFi is being connected to your device. You can do this on your phone or on your laptop, but for me, I use my laptop. You can see here my Airtel MiFi name gcrypto is connected. So now if it's connected, now go to your browser and tap and open your browser. If you open it, just come to this search bar here and type the IP address so that I can log into your MiFi admin portal. If you type this exact IP address, enter. As I said, your MiFi must get connected. So you can see Airtel has different MiFi brands and models. My own is Vida. So if you open the admin portal, this is how it looks on the dashboard, understand? But for your own, maybe you could have a different MiFi that probably may have a kind of different dashboard from mine, but still all the same thing. So if I tap on any option here, they will say login. If I tap on this, for instance, settings, they will say I should put my password to login. So I'll put my password admin in small letter, username admin and password admin, both admin in small letter. After that, I come on this sign in. If I sign in, I'll be logged into my dashboard or admin portal properly. So I'll come on home, and to hide my Wi-Fi so that it will appear private and invisible to users, I just come on settings. But on some devices, you will see device settings and tap on it. If I tap on it, then on this option, say I will scroll down. So as I said, MiFi differ. On my own MiFi, you will see here wireless settings, but in some MiFis or in some Airtel brands or model, you will see Wi-Fi settings. But anyone, just type on Wi-Fi settings or wireless settings. If you tap on it, you can see right here show SSID. So mine is enabled, so it means that my Wi-Fi is public and everyone can see it. Now to hide the Wi-Fi and make it invisible to users or make it private, I'll come and tap on this disabled. If I tap on this disabled and come and tap on this save, then my Wi-Fi will be invisible. You can see, like, even if someone searches for Wi-Fi's, my Wi-Fi gcrypto would be invisible. No one can find it except if I choose to give the person my Wi-Fi name so that he can type and enter it in his own device. So guys, at least this is done for kind of security reason. So it's good to hide your Wi-Fi sometimes, so at least to avoid people trying to connect or log into your Wi-Fi. So that's it guys, very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.